If you use a credit card, it's essential that you discipline yourself. Every month you pay off that credit card. If you don't, then that balance is going to grow, and it's a very high interest rate the bank is going to charge you, and you are going to then potentially put yourself at fiscally irresponsible because you can't pay it off. Financial institutions love debit cards because it's a little easier to spend the money. People then are impulsive buyers and they're using that debit card and not keeping track. When you have credit cards and debit cards, if I go to Costco and I buy a computer, if I use a credit card, it doubles my warranty up to a year on that computer. If I use a debit card, it does not. If I have a credit card and I go rent a car, then there is insurance from the credit card company that if I was to have an accident, have it stolen, that car, then they would reimburse and not my private insurance wouldn't have to cover everything. Debit cards don't do that. So credit cards, if you're going to use them, you use them responsibly, you keep track of what you owe, you pay it off every single month. Sometimes on the debit cards, it's easier for people to use a debit card because it comes straight out of the checking account. And when the money's gone, it's gone. And they don't owe against that debit card because there is no more money in their bank account. The word of advice I would give is pay that credit card every single month and don't let it build up.